What are we gonna ask me so I'm not like...
We are in Polly's Cove,
Cove.
which is close to Peggys Cove.
Yes.
They must be cousins or something like that, or sisters?
Distant cousins.
Yeah. Well, we haven't introduced to you. This is Wella,
Hi.
Emanuela. We've known her since she was 9 years old. Now she lives out in California, but she came to visit us. She actually flew into Cape Breton, and tomorrow, unfortunately, she flies out of Halifax, which is where we're at right now. You been having a good time?
I've been having an excellent time. It's been absolutely superb.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Great scenery. We're having a great time. Mama having a good time? Yes.
What's this?
Unfortunately, we saw a dead seal over here, but...
Oh no. It died of natural causes.
What are you doing, autopsy?
We saw, I'm nervous now.
You're like a little girl. My first day at school.
Okay, we saw, Mary, I'm just really nervous.
Come here. We saw 2 otters, which were adorable, and...
Okay, so today we saw crystal clear water, a dead seal, meat-eating plants, 2 otters,
1 blueberry.
1 blueberry.